Welcome to MySpec. Today, we're generating a production-ready spec to optimize an HTML to video converter app. We start a new project, briefly describe that we want to convert HTML animations to video, and jump right into the interview phase. But first, we choose our AI architect. I'm selecting Gemini 3.5 Flash for lightning-fast reasoning. We tell Gemini our goal, make the rendering faster and modernize the UI. The AI instantly reads our local workspace files, like our HTML and JS scripts, and starts building the context. To build a rock-solid spec, the AI asks us a few targeted questions. For optimization, we select Direct CDP Screenshot Capture for maximum speed. For the UI, we choose Interactive HTML Previews. It even asks about risk mitigation, so we opt for a dual-path release with a high-speed toggle and an auto-fallback to legacy Puppeteer just in case the backend fails. With a few clicks, our technical boundaries are completely locked in. Now we submit our answers and the AI gets to work. It instantly drafts our proposal, outlining exactly the changes. We approve it. Next, it generates the requirements document, complete with detailed acceptance criteria for our new rendering engine. Finally, it breaks everything down into an actionable, milestone-driven task list. We hit approve and our initial spec bundle is complete. But what if we want to push it further? We jump into the Edit Spec workflow and simply type, "Make it even better." The AI acts like a senior architect, analyzing our spec and suggesting crucial updates, like adding explicit error logs for our fallback system and strict sandbox restrictions for the UI preview pane. We accept the feedback, and the AI perfectly weaves these security and stability upgrades into a brand new revision, showing us exactly what changed in a clean diff view. We review the final changes, complete the session, and we're done. We now have a fully updated, bulletproof spec bundle. Just hit download to grab your markdown files, hand them straight to Cursor, Claude, or your human dev team, and start building with confidence. That's how fast you can architect and refine software with MySpec. Try it out at myspec.dev today.